everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Vastara Karnal. Today we are going to learn about AI techniques. AI is artificial intelligence, which refers to the developing computer systems for performing tasks requiring human intelligence. So these systems access large amount of data to identify patterns and make logical decisions based on the collected information. So, what are artificial techniques? So, there are specific artificial tests in artificial intelligence techniques, which includes machine learning, natural language processing, automation and robotics, and machine vision. Artificial techniques refers to the set of methods and algorithms used to develop intelligent systems that can perform tasks requiring human like intelligence. So, let's discuss more about the techniques in detail. First is machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a technique that uses neural networks and deep learning to train computers to perform tasks. The image recognition, speech recognition, and decision making. So, this is the use of machine learning, and the approach involves building of algorithms to learn patterns in data and make predictions based on it. Unsupervised machine learning, that is AI system analyze and unlabeled data where no predefined outcomes are provided. And next one is supervised learning. The combination of the input data set and intended output is interfered from training data. The next one is SAMI supervised learning. In this method, basically it uses a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data to train a model. So the goal of semi-supervised learning is to learn the function that can actually predict the outcome variable based on the input variables. So the next one is reinforcement learning. So in this, the data is accumulated from the machine learning systems that use a trial and error method to learn from outcomes and decide which action to take next. So the next one is language processing. So what is natural language processing? This is a kind of technique uh, that involves programming computers to analyze and process natural language data. It also facilitates the interaction between the humans and computers. So these are some NLP leverage algorithms which we use: syntactic lexical disclosure. So this is a system which worked in the NPL. So let's move on to, these are some in detailed version. The next one is computer vision. So what is computer vision? Computer vision is basically, it equips the machine with the ability to interpret visual information from the world. This recognized has evolution industries like healthcare, automotive, and robotics. Enables tasks such as facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous driving. Here, the terminology sensitivity in the computer vision we use. So these are some applications which we use in the computer vision, that is like assembly, screen reader, code and character reader, OCRs, which we normally use in the barcodes, and then computer vision, robotic for bin picking, defect detection, metrology, and intruder detection. So the next one is robotic and automation. Or robotic automation aims to enable machines to perform boring, repetitive tasks again and again. If the repetition is there, robotics are the more efficient and uh, more reliable, affordable, like equipments which we can use in our daily lives. So these are like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep dive, and data science. So these are like interlinked with each other, which we use in the later ones. So these are some testing techniques. Thank you for your time and do like and subscribe our channel.